out there. I missed that apparently last night.
A lot of people ask, well, since you're a meteorologist, you should know all about this, right?
All about meteors?
We study hydrometeors.
There you go.
Yeah, liquid variety.
See, you won't learn that just anywhere, folks.
Yeah,
right there.
Today, 2 years ago, we were literally 5:05. That's when the landfall was on Hurricane Hannah, about 70 miles south of here. This is what the radar looked like 2 years ago at about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. This storm moved in south of Corpus Christi near Kennedy County, and it was a Cat 1 90-mile-per-hour storm that then dropped a lot of rain down in the valley. Us here, the biggest impact we had was it took out Bob Hall Pier, and we're still rebuilding here 2 years after the fact. LexCam showing a clear sky right now, 93 degrees, southeast wind 18 miles per hour. The feel-like temperatures, the heat indices, everyone with the exception of Beeville up over 100, but no heat advisory level on those heat index values. Did see a few little isolated sea breeze induced showers right over 281 in Jim Wells County. Those are long gone, but this type of rain, that's what we're going to be looking at as we head into the middle of this week. You see the heat advisories up in the northern part of the state, some rain out west, some rain to our east, lots of heat in Texas. We are seeing plenty of triple digits throughout the state. One of the hottest spots right down to our west, Laredo at 104. So this big area of high pressure we've been talking about for the last week or so, even longer than that. But this is going to shift off to the east, and as that happens, it'll open us up to better flow coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. That'll give us better moisture to work with and maybe a few disturbances. This is going to be the same type of map, but we're looking at energy now. So the high will move to the east. Some energy that's over Florida right now is going to move across the Gulf and try to work into the Texas Gulf Coast on Wednesday, and that's what's going to be driving the rain chances. They're not going to be impressive though, so it's not going to be something where everybody in the coastal bend and watching KIII TV gets some rain. There will be a few, but they are not going to be widespread. So here's tomorrow morning, just a stray coastal shower for Tuesday. We may see a little sea breeze activity, but overall pretty quiet on Tuesday. Wednesday, we'll see, I think, a little bit more activity. This is 1:30 in the afternoon, so as temperatures start to warm, we are going to have a chance for some isolated sea breeze showers or storms, but the chances are relatively low. 20% of the area may see a little bit of rain this week, so we're not talking about the high-end rain chances, but at least we're talking about the chance for it, right? It's not just going to be sunny and hot all week long. Pacific, two systems that are trying to develop, the Atlantic, Caribbean, and Gulf. Nothing expected. We're probably going to be staying quiet until we get into August with respect to tropics on the Atlantic side. Tonight, 76, mainly clear. Winds under 10 miles per hour after midnight. Tomorrow, breezy, hot, and humid. A little stray morning coastal shower, but other than that, mid-90s. Heat index up around 105. Air temp's going to be in the triple digits again inland. Upper 80s at the coast. Heat indices 100 to 110 throughout the area. If you're on the water, it'll be choppy in the afternoon. 5 to 15 knot winds out of the south. 2 to 3 foot waves at a 5-second period. And we've got the little rain icons in the forecast. Again, the sun is also on those icons, meaning they're going to be isolated. Not everyone's going to get the rain, but at least something to watch and hope for through the middle of the week. Mike.
And hope springs